The Alienware M16 R2 is a powerful and visually striking gaming laptop designed to meet the demands of modern gamers and content creators. This high-performance machine is equipped with top-of-the-line hardware and a robust cooling system, making it a formidable competitor in the gaming laptop market. Performance and hardware. At its core, the Alienware M16 R2 features the latest Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9 processors, providing exceptional computational power for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. It supports up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth performance even with the most resource-intensive applications. The laptop also offers a range of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, allowing gamers to experience stunning graphics, real-time ray tracing, and AI-enhanced gameplay. With up to 2 TB of NVMe SSD storage, users can enjoy rapid load times and ample space for their game libraries and media files. Display and design. The M16 R2 boasts a 16-inch QHD+ 2560 by 1600 display with a high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz, ensuring fluid and responsive gameplay. The display also supports NVIDIA G-SYNC, reducing screen tearing and providing a smoother visual experience. The slim bezels and high screen-to-body ratio enhance immersion, while the laptop's Alien FX lighting offers customizable RGB backlighting for a personalized touch. Cooling and build quality. One of the standout features of the Alienware M16 R2 is its advanced cooling system. Alienware's Cryotech cooling technology utilizes vapor chamber cooling, strategically placed fans, and an efficient thermal design to keep the laptop cool under heavy loads. This ensures sustained performance during intense gaming sessions. The chassis is built with premium materials, providing durability and a sleek, modern aesthetic that is unmistakably Alienware. Connectivity and features. The laptop is well equipped with a variety of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and an SD card reader, catering to a wide range of connectivity needs. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections. The Alienware Command Center software allows users to fine-tune performance settings, monitor system health, and customize the RGB lighting. Conclusion. The Alienware M16 R2 is a top-tier gaming laptop that excels in performance, display quality, and cooling efficiency. Its powerful hardware, sleek design, and advanced features make it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals seeking a high-performance portable solution. Whether for gaming, streaming, or creative work, the M16 R2 delivers on all fronts, maintaining Alienware's reputation for quality and innovation in the gaming industry.